Out of the way, Dopey!
Hi, welcome back to Auto Tip-Off. Enjoy today's video.
First impression. Toyota currently dominates more than 31% of the Indonesian market, and Raize was instrumental in the brand's rapid rise. Toyota anticipates selling 2,000 units per month at the time of launch. However, the company's total sales of 6,179 units as of June 14 were substantially greater than the objective. Toyota will not make the Raize compact SUV available in India. Toyota and Maruti Suzuki JV, on the other hand, are working on a new mid-sized SUV to rival the Hyundai Creta and Kia Seltos. This SUV is reported to be based on Toyota's DNGA platform, which also serves as the foundation for the Raize and Daihatsu Rocky. What's new in 2022? Toyota's Raize compact SUV was introduced in Indonesia earlier this year. The SUV could only be ordered with a single petrol engine. It is powered by the same 1.0-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine used in Malaysia's Daihatsu Rocky and Perodua Ativa. In Japan, this engine is also available in the Rocky and Toyota Raize. Toyota has expanded the Raize range with a new 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine in order to boost sales even further. This engine is less powerful than the 1-litre turbo petrol engine. The 3-cylinder engine generates 88 PS at 6,000 RPM and 113 Nm at 4,500 RPM. The 3-cylinder 1.0-litre turbocharged engine generates 99 PS and 140 Nm of torque. The new 1.2L engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a CVT automatic transmission. The dimensions of the new Toyota Raize compact SUV are the same as those of the Daihatsu Rocky SUV, 3,995 mm in length, 1,695 mm in width, and 1,620 mm in height. The SUV is outfitted with massive 17-inch wheels. It features a 369-litre trunk that can be extended by folding the rear seats. There you go, internet friends. Thanks for watching. That's my take on the very small 2022 Toyota Raize. I hope you'll join me tomorrow with another video. Please continue watching with a little music until the end, as we would say from my region in the UK. Ta-ra for now.